welcome to the Smart Manufacturing demonstration. What we want to do today is to show a digital initiative that we can apply to an existing backbone without waiting to the full digital continuity that will arrive maybe a few years after. So what we are going to do today is to show how we can help and support the blue collar with some small digital use case, having a really blue collar centric approach. First thing, I have to put my brackets on place. So to know which bracket I have to put, what we have today is this old legacy PDF instruction that is not really linked to the SAP backbone. So we have this small plugin linking the PDF with the backbone. We retrieve the part number, the variant part number, and we have this pick to light system that will tell us which bracket we have to put in place. Next step will be the same thing exactly with the screw. So we can take the screw. Here what we say is that we save some time, we take the right part number, we put it in the right place without losing and without having some waste. The next step is using the Smart Torque technology. We have this Smart Torque machine that will gather the torquing value from the instruction directly and then send back to the system the torquing value. So with that we will be able to retrieve and create all the quality document that will be sent in archiving system and then will be used afterward. So we can proceed. The idea is to collect really the real value of the torque and then save it in the system. We will know how many screws we've done, how many are remaining, and it will be incremented each time. Okay, now we are not able to finish the assembly because we have some drilling defect. So what we want to do is to declare those defects and assess them. So first step, a self-assessment. I have put the plate on the right place, it's okay. I have also my harness, it's okay. But I cannot put all my brackets. So I will declare that I have some faulty brackets. At this step, I know where are my defects and I can reuse this information afterward. So at the end of the operation, I have 3 defects to assess. And again, the same logic. We will use artificial intelligence, starting with this image recognition device. We take the picture of the defect. We will send it to an algorithm that will compare it to a database and then retrieve which kind of defect it's. Knowing this defect, we will be able to assist the blue collar in the defect resolution and defect documentation. We will use a small chatbot supported with decision tree that will give the solution to the blue collar at the end if it's known. If it's not known, at least the defect will be documented and maybe the next time the chatbot will be able to propose the solution to the blue collar.